Okay, find the x or y value so that the line goes through the points and has the given slope. So our slope is going to be delta y over delta x. So we're going to draw a fraction bar, change in y over change in x. Our y's are -1 and y. Our x's are -1 and 3. Okay, this is going to turn into -1 minus y over -1 minus 3 is a -4. And we want this to be turn into -1 over 3, don't we? And this is a y right here. Okay, there's really no way we could switch the 4 to a 3. We're not going to be able to simplify this, are we? So the only way to do this is to cross multiply and set a proportion up. So we're going to do -1 minus y times 3 equals -4 times -1. So we're going to distribute the 3. We're going to get -3 minus 3y equals 4. We're going to add the 3 across. I'm going to go back up here. -3y equals 7. Divide by -3. You'll get y equals 7 over -3, won't you? That's kind of a funky answer. So y would be -7 over 3. Okay, right here. Do delta y over delta x. Change in y over change in x. You're going to have, put your minuses on here. Our y's are 0 and -3. Our x's are -4 and x. Simplify this. 2 negatives make a positive. This is going to turn into 3 over -4 minus x. And we want this to end up being -3 over 2, don't we? Right now, our 3's match up, don't they? So this bottom, since the 3's match up, this bottom needs to equal a -2. So we're going to put -4 minus x equals, this has to equal a -2. So we're going to move our 4 over. You'll get -x equals 2, divide by -1, and you'll get x equals a -2. So if we were to put -2 right here, we would get -4 plus 2, which would be -2, and it would turn out to be -3 over 2. So x is going to be a -2 on this one. And our last one. Okay, we want it to be in 5 over 3, it looks like. Okay, so we're going to put delta y over delta x. Draw our fraction bar, put our minuses. Our y's are 2 and y. So we're going to put 2 and y on top. Our x's are -1 and 4, right? -1 and -4 goes on the bottom. The 2 negatives make a positive. So this top will stay 2 minus y. And then on bottom, -1 plus 4 is 3 in it. And we want this to end up being 5 over 3. Our bottom is already 3 in it. So this top part, 2 minus y, has to be 5. So 2y minus 5, 2 minus y must be 5. So we're going to subtract 2. -y equals 3. Divide by -1. You'll get y equals a -3. So on this one right here, y would be a -3.